All right, now let me show you how to create a new sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro for professional editing. Because as a beginner, you're expected to, after creating a new project, the next step is to import. Then after you import your files, that doesn't still give you the guarantee to actually start doing the cuts and join yet until you create a sequence, and that brings about what you're going to be talking about right now. So a sequence is actually a preparation or a kind of solid arrangement for your footage to align properly in row in tracks as expected. Just like you can see now, just like what you are looking at now, you see everything just looks so blank. That is to say, it is still not ready yet for you to start doing your cut engine. So what do you do in such situation is to quickly click on one of the clips here, just like you can see the information here. Say drag and drop clip here to create a sequence. But that doesn't still seem too convenient to me, though. The reason is because a sequence is actually supposed to tally in exact name with the project for smooth workflow. And let's say you want to actually make corrections and you have actually done a whole lot of projects, you can easily find it with that. Because if you use the default title, just like dragging a particular footage to create sequence, you may see that, man, is going to carry the name of that particular file. So by so doing, you can actually create sequence, but then this other method seems more convenient to me as far as this very tutorial is concerned. So you quickly go to file here, and then you see a whole lot here, but our major concern here, you see this new. Click on the new, then it will show something like this. Can you see now? You see project, you see sequence, then you now select the sequence, and guess what? You're going to be having something like this. Then that isn't still enough. Then you now decide to type in whatsoever title you want to give to the project, or whatsoever title that you have already given to the project. Then you just uh enter same title here as the sequence, and guess what? Your sequence is going to be looking like this. As you can see now, every track for the audio and video, they are already present here, because these lines that you can see, all these lines here, they are called tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro as far as this very tutorial is concerned. So before there was no track, but right now there are tracks. That's an indication that you have actually done something by creating a sequence. Then you can now start bringing in your videos for professional cuts. For the purpose of this one, let's just drag a video clip to the sequence, and then you see what's happening here. Can you see now? So this is just how simple it is to actually create sequence professional editing. Subsequently, I'm still going to be giving a more step-by-step guide on how to actually get a whole lot of things done using this Premiere Pro, either as a beginner, intermediate, or a professional who has been using it for years. But there are still a lot of things that you may not even know about this very software yet. Peace out.